Join me on this journey as I share the joys and challenges of cultivating beefsteak tomatoes from their early stages at 5 weeks to their ultimate maturity. Beefsteak tomatoes are independent tomato plants that produce fruit throughout the season until late fall. In this video, we showcase the Brandywine of tomatoes, known for their size, texture, and flavor. These tomatoes can weigh over a pound, have a diameter of 6 inches or more, and a high flesh-to-juice ratio, giving them a beefsteak-like quality. We start our journey when the plants are 3 to 4 feet tall, and show what we did to get the plants to where they were in the second part of the video. Well, it's been 2 weeks since I last fertilized these tomato plants and a week since I pruned them. My goodness, they've grown high. Such a short time. They are being prolific at the moment. The plants are now almost halfway up the trellis work. And as you can see, the foliage has increased markedly. It's now pruning time. The challenge is the same. Removing suckers, small ones and big ones. Opening up the airway between plants so the plants can get an adequate supply of air. Do not be afraid to prune extensively between the rows. Some nice young tomatoes on the way. It's now time for a quick watering, followed by the application of the second lot of fertilizer. I'm going to use Telborn Organics plant food, which is this particular product is for buds, flowers and fruit, with a ratio of nitrogen to phosphorus to potassium of 4 to 1 to 6. I have mixed 5 milliliters of fertilizer to 5 liters of water. I will apply the solution around the stems, approximately 5 to 7 seconds for each plant. It's a week later, and the plants have grown so much that we now need to increase the height of their trellising. What Yvonne is going to do is he's going to clip the top ends of the vines up the trellis. Just by clipping the tops of the vines to the trellis has already cleared the space, and these are looking much more organized and sorted out. This is the first time that I've had the 3 types of Brandywine tomatoes together. Welcome to this home garden where you'll find large, delicious beefsteak tomatoes. But before we dive into that, I invite you to join our community of organic vegetable gardeners. Let's share and exchange techniques. Our love for nature and the joy it brings us is what connects us. So please subscribe and share with other home gardeners. So today I'm going to take off Brandywine Pink, regarded as the tastiest. This one here, you can see it's already splitting a bit, but I think I can leave it on a little bit longer. But this one here, Brandywine slicing, I want to take this one off. Brandywine Orange, I'm going to take this one off. There we go. So these 3 tomatoes I'm going to enjoy tasting and seeing which I regard as the best. The next thing I'm going to do is taste them one after the other, just into my general impression. So over here we've got the pink, over here we have the orange, and over here I'm going to put the slicing. There we go. Alright, let's go for it. That's a little bit of tomato heaven. Wow, very balanced. Acid, sweetness, nice. Texture good. Juiciness good. Lovely. Now to the orange. Tomato hell? Yeah, almost. I tell you. That one there has got very little acid, bit of sweetness, bland, not at all balanced, not savoury, certainly not taste, that's horrible taste, in my opinion. Firmness, about 60% firm, not too bad. Juiciness, certainly juicy, not nice juice there. And it's powdery, soft. So certainly not a favourite of mine. Now let's get onto this one. The slicing. Wow. Whew. Not quite in heaven. Close. I would say that that's about rating scale. About 70%, 80% maybe, compared to pink, which I think is much better. But overall, really white pink. The front is alright. Middy's alright. Very white pink's the one for me. What's the best? What's Stuart? What's Stuart's got? Look forward to seeing you soon. Cheers.